of us experience loss. We are told with hardship, there is new life. It's not the end of the story, it's the beginning of another story.
The loss of my father, the greatest love of my life, sent me reeling. I'm trying to find solace in my faith, but how can I make peace with such heartbreak? My Muslim friends gave me an idea. They sent me on a quest, searching Islam's stories of love for answers to questions we all ask, which unraveled the secrets of the Taj Mahal, illuminated a little-known story about Malcolm X, and demonstrated how love can change the world.
Love, it's not just an emotion, it's a force.
I've met religious leaders, historians, and artists who shared their knowledge and offered insights into these stories, who might help me reconcile the joy of love for my father and the terrible pain of his loss. What can we learn from Islam's greatest stories of love?
Every heart breaks, and your heart must break. But what a difference there is between a heart that merely breaks and a heart that breaks open.
What does that mean for a heart to break open?